Welcome to Pong AI Zone channel. Hey friends, have you ever wanted to create quick product videos or ads without hiring a professional editor, using complicated tools, or learning video production? What if I told you there's now a super simple way to create realistic AI-generated videos for your store, YouTube channel, or affiliate marketing using just Google VO3? No VPN, no advanced tech skills, just your laptop or even your phone. If you're into saving time and making money with AI, don't forget to subscribe to Pong AI Zone right now. And stay until the end because I'm going to show you a bonus method to do all of this right from your phone too. What we'll cover today. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Google VO3 AI to create super realistic videos for ads, sales pages, or even just for fun. You'll learn how to create a prompt, customize the scene, add voiceover, and export a video that looks professional without spending days editing. So let's dive in. Step 1. Get your VO3 account. First, log into your Google VO3 account. If you don't have one yet, just use the link below this video to create or upgrade your account to Pro. The Pro version is required to create videos. You can't do this with a free account. Step 2. Create your prompt. Now open Gemini or ChatGPT and ask it to create a prompt for you. Ask for the scene description, the voiceover script, the tone and style. This way, you'll get everything structured and ready to go. Step 3. Copy and edit your prompt. Once the prompt is ready, review it. If you want to change the setting, character, or tone, just tweak it a bit. For example, you can make the scene more cinematic or shorten the dialogue if it's too long. Keep it short for better results. Step 4. Customize language and voice. If you want the video to speak English, make sure to set the voice option to English, American accent, and select No Captions if you don't want text on screen. Keep your dialogue short. 8-second clips work best for this tool. Step 4. Use VO3 to generate your video. Now open Google VO3. Go to the video generation section and paste your prompt into the input box. Click Generate Video and let AI work its magic. This usually takes about 1-2 minutes.
Welcome to Pong AI Zone. This is a channel to share about AI tools.
Step 6. Download your video. Once it's ready, click Download to save the video to your device. You can use this video for product ads, affiliate marketing, or brand storytelling. It's perfect for short-form content like TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Bonus. Do this on your phone. If you're on your phone, just install the Gemini app. It lets you create the same videos directly from your mobile device. Super easy. And that's it. Now you know how to create professional-looking AI videos for ads or affiliate marketing in just a few minutes. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Pong AI Zone, and drop a comment below. Check the link in the description for more info. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.